make it stop!
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Wile E. Coyote. Genius. Wile E. Coyote. Super genius. I like the way that rolls out. Wile E. Coyote. Super genius.
Are you sure? Control is not convinced, but the computer has the evidence. No need to abort. The countdown starts. Watching in a trance, the crew is certain, nothing left to chance. All is working.
Go down, Venus! We're going in! We're going in! You can't save it! Eject! 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 Eject!
Whoa, that was cool. It really does happen.
What just happened?
My name is Wile E. Coyote. Genius.
Starting to collect requested data. What will it affect when all is done? Things Major Tom. Back at ground control, there is a problem. Go to records phone. Not responding. Hello, Major Tom. Are you receiving? Turn the thrusters on. We're standing by. There's no reply. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1.
What in the, I'll say, what in the name of Jesse James do you suppose that is? This is gonna cause more confusion than a mouse in a burlesque show.
Across the stratosphere, a final message. If my wife mine, then nothing. Far beneath the ship, the world is mourning. They don't realize he's alive. No one understands, but Major Tom sees how the light commands. This is my home. I'm coming home. Early doors, 15 falling.
Got this under control. It's not gonna end a disaster. Oh.
Wait.